British Professional College is a gold status approved learning partner of ACCA and a licensed CB center.
Students learn about fundamental to strategic aspect of accounting, finance and audit, and overall business management. We encourage our students to think creatively and train them to apply the knowledge that they have gained during the classroom lectures in the real life scenario. There are lots of classroom lectures at first, followed by regular mock exams. The students are provided with ACCA approved learning materials that would assist them throughout their studies to succeed in exams. Our students regularly secure national topper positions and have even secured a world top position in the past.
I've gained experience in auditing and accounting due to the professional degree that I received at BPC. I have had the experience of auditing companies from different sectors such as hydropower, manufacturing, INGOs and NGOs. Currently, I work in a merchant bank providing financial advice to clients from various sectors. Not only was I able to gain global recognition academically, but I'm able to stay ahead of the competition due to my ACCA qualification.
At BPC, students are provided opportunities to have one-to-one consultation and in-depth discussion with the paper-specific tutors in the specific requirements of students to succeed the exams.
Hello, I'm Fatma Triasha. I'm from Maldives. Currently, I'm pursuing my ACCA skill level from the British Professional College. Despite being a foreign student, I haven't faced any difficulties here in BPC in terms of language and culture. The faculties and friends have been very supportive and helpful throughout.
We also help our students to find out internship opportunities and job placement by organizing an annual job fair. At British Professional College, we believe that industrial exposure is a must for our students to understand and observe processes and operations at larger industries. We pay frequent visits at different industries, CG Foodco and Supreme Court of Nepal being some of the recent examples. We are committed to provide world-class learning experience within university-style environment to produce highly qualified professional accountant in fast-changing business world. We can't wait to welcome you at the British Professional College. Thank you.